I recently purchased this coffee pot because I wanted something a bit more advanced while still being simple and easy to clean. This extra large pot can brew up to 14 cups of coffee, and as a stay-at-home mom, my two favorite features are the wake up to coffee feature and the warming plate, which will keep my coffee hot up to 4 hours. There's also a scoop located at the top of the pot so that you can ensure consistency with every single brew. This pot is super easy to clean and everything is dishwasher safe. It also has a removable water reservoir so you can fill it up right at the sink.